Good morning, students. I am Punit Kumar from Gronda, working as assistant professor in RPIT College. Today, we discuss in this video accountancy. What do you mean by accountancy? Accounting is often called as the language of business because accounting terms and concepts are used to describe the event that make up the existence of business. It records the business transaction taking place during the accounting period and at the end of period. The year it shows the result of the transaction in the form of final account consisting of the profit and loss account and the balance sheet. For preparing this account, accountancy include identifying, recording, classifying, summarizing and interpreting the result of the business or transaction so that intelligent decision may be made about the business. Accounting is a means of communicating business information relevant to the objective of the decision maker, both internal and external parties. The accountancy is the art of recording, classifying, summarizing in a significant manner in terms of money, transaction or event which are in part at least of a financial character or interpreting the result therefore. Now we discuss about the characteristics or features of accounting. There are many characteristics or features of accounting. First one is that recording, classifying and summarizing help the characteristics of accounting helps in attaining the financial objective. Accounting is also known as the art because art is that part of knowledge which show the way through which we can attain our objective of ascertaining financial result in the best possible manner. Identification and recording of transaction event. In accounting, recording involve writing of transaction which are financial nature and can be expressed in terms of money. If a transaction or event has no financial nature, then it can not be measured in terms of money or cannot be identified. Classifying. After recording the transaction journal and the subsidiary book, these transactions are classified by opening ledger account. Classification is the process of systematic analysis of recording data by grouping the transaction of similar nature at one place. Next is summarizing. Summarizing is the art of presenting the recorded and classified data in a manner which is understandable and useful to the internal as well as external and users of accounting statement. This involves the preparation of at least two statements, trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. Next is analyzing and interpreting the result of account. Through the process of recording, classifying and summarizing of transaction, accounting not only create data but also use them for interpreting. The accounting data is analyzed and interpreted in a manner that enable the end user to make a meaningful judgment about the financial condition and profitability of the business operation. These are the characteristics of accounting. Okay students, thank you.